everybody, and welcome back to my unscripted freak show. But no, the last video we was at the big city. We have left. We've come to a campground because, like I said earlier, it's fixing to get hot. Well, it's already hot, super hot and humid. So I wanted to show you a fan I bought. I've got several 12-volt fans and they work great, but considering it's going to get really hot, I decided to purchase another one. Let me get you turned around here. That's my view out my little window. Nice wooded, I'm in the shade. Nice cool breeze coming through the window. I enjoy it. Okay, right to the subject. Oh, first we gotta say, Rusty Russ. He heard me. He just don't want to move. We're gonna use Rusty's bed because, well, that's just what I want to do. But what I'm going to show you is, as seen on TV, this is the lithium power cordless fan. Now Felicia has one of these. She's been using it. She claims she really likes it, that it's the best thing on earth. So anyway, that made me go buy me one. And I've only used it 2 nights, and I'm going to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with it. It says power of a full-size fan. Well, you know, I don't know if I'd go that far, but you can use it in the office. You can use it in your car, or you just use it in your house. I mean, why not? But it has 360 smart spin technology. None of that dumb spin. It's got the smart spin technology. Streams air in any direction. But anyhow, like I said, I've used it 2 nights. Actually quite impressed with it. Let me get the actual fan. Now, like I said, I've done open this up and get you out of the way, old buddy. I didn't open it up and I've been using it, but here's the fan, and this is all it comes with: the fan and a USB cord. Now the cord's pretty short. I wish the cord was longer, but that's okay. But you can run the fan. Now this cord is to charge. It's a cordless, a battery operated fan. You use the cord to charge it, but you can run the fan with the cord, or you can just run on the battery setting. It just has a simple, right here, on and off dial. See this dial right here? If I can get it to set up. You know, my productions are just, you know, I'm on a budget. But anyhow, you just spin this dial, and this would be the low setting, what I consider low. And it ain't like click, click, low, medium, high. You just slowly spin that dial, and the fan will get faster and faster. So there's low as soon as you turn it on. You know, I didn't think about the wind blowing in the microphone. But I'm gonna see if I can get you to hear it speed up. I don't know. If I'll be quiet, you might hear it. So that would be high. Puts out quite a bit of air. And then you can, you know, rotate it up and down or around. So it has the 360, just like they said. You turn this thing off. I said turn it off. And then it has the, I'm gonna call it alligator clip. That's not really what it is, but it has a humongous clip. I mean, there's a lot of things you can put that on. Then with the 360 spinning fan, why won't you stand up for me? So you can spin it this way, spin it this way. I mean, you can go all the way around. I'm just not doing it. I think I paid, you know, I got such a terrible memory. I'm pretty sure I gave 20 bucks for it. Well worth it. I've only used it 2 nights, and yeah, it's worth it. As far as you know, being in your RV, off-grid type situation, blah, blah, blah. Or even in the house. I mean, it'd be great in your house if you're sitting at the desk. Or maybe in the kitchen cooking and it's a little stuffy. It'd be great for that. But most homes, not all, but most homes don't have 12-volt hookups. You would have to hook it to your laptop, or, you know, well, I guess, yeah, you got the wall chargers. I guess you could do that. Either way, for 20 bucks, I think it's worth it. I would recommend getting it, because you can just pretty much put it anywhere you want, have it blow any direction you want. and it's rechargeable. You can run it off the rechargeable battery, or you can just run it off the cord. I really like it. I might actually pick me up another one. Refreshing blast of air anywhere you want. Well, you know, they kind of put some bold claims on here, but it does work good. And like I said, I may actually pick me up a second one so I can put one on each end of the camper, or maybe each side of the camper. Like put one blowing from that window, then the window on the other side, put one. But I believe you'd be happy with it. Again, it's not, you know, if you're sitting in 90-degree weather in the sun, it's not going to make your RV feel like it's 65. So don't think that. It's just a nice fan to blow on you. Pretty portable. I mean, you could even carry it, say you go on a hike or something, or picnicking or whatever. You know, you can carry it with you and just get a little breeze blowing on you. But yeah, anywho, that's my big review of the Lithium Power cordless fan. You know, I don't really have a name. I'm sitting here looking. It's just Lithium Power. Oh, Go Fan. I guess that's the name of it. Go Fan. Okay, yeah. Never even noticed that. I read it, but I didn't pay no attention that was the actual name of it. Anywho, you need a good fan, rechargeable fan, something cheap to operate. Maybe stick it beside your bed to blow on you at night when you're trying to sleep. I think you'd be happy with this. And that's my thoughts on the Go Fan. Alright, the second product I want to show you that I use, ooh, she's dirty, that I use here in my little RV. And this is for the folks that have pets. Actually, you don't even have to have a pet. I mean, this thing works great for just for what it is. But this is a cordless 20 volt, I think it was. I've actually thrown the box away because it was really bulky and big, and I didn't have room for it. Let me 15 volt. Or 15 amp. Am I saying that wrong? Anyhow, Felicia got this for me, and as far as vacuuming, does an awesome job. We've got it because of Rusty. It has a little brush head on it, and you see I've been using it. I've been using a lot and wore the paint off of it. Does great. Has great suction. I mean, picks up. You know, like I said, if you got pets, you're gonna have to deal with hair. Rusty sheds like an old cheap rug, so this thing does an awesome job. I think this is $39 at Walmart. You know, it's cordless, rechargeable. You just stick your charging cord in there. Of course, you gotta put it in a 110 wall plug. That's nothing. Everybody's got one of them. Even in an RV living off the grid, you have one of them. So this would be another product I recommend that I do know works great. And I really like having it, especially because I got Rusty. It's a super easy cleanup, and it has great suction. I mean, when we was out in the desert, I swept and cleaned every day to keep all the dust and grime picked up off the floor. You know, I got carpet in here, and I thought I was doing a pretty good job until I used this. And seriously, within 5 minutes, I turned it on, started vacuuming the floor just to get up some little bit of hair Rusty was leaving behind, and in about 5 minutes this canister was full of like this chalky, powdery old dirt, you know, from the desert. That it shocked me. I didn't even know I felt. I mean, I'm just glad nobody knew how dirty that carpet was. And I sweep it with the hand broom, a stiff bristle broom, so you know it really brushes the carpet good. And I thought I really had this thing clean until I used this. You know, the Shark cordless. It just blew me away how much dirt it picked up. But anyhow, this is another product I think you would like if you're full-time in RV, and most of y'all probably already have something like this. I'm just specifically speaking for this one. The Shark brand does an awesome job, and I would definitely buy another one if this one ever quits on me or whatever. I'd definitely buy another one. I really like it. All right, and I think that's going to be it for today. I don't know. Yeah, that's my thoughts on the fan and the vacuum cleaner. There's some things I use in here, and I would definitely recommend it. So I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I just want to get on real quick. Someone was asking me how I keep, you know, the dog hair and everything clean in here with having a pet. So I decided to show you and recommend these to you. the little fan, I definitely think you'd be pleased with it. This, I know if you bought this particular model, I know you would like it. Depending on what you're trying to use it for, I know you would enjoy this one. But there's so many on the market. You can go to Walmart and there's 5 or 6 of these. They carry themselves. So just do your research and see what your needs are and what you want, what type of thing you want. That way you'll know for a fact you're getting exactly what you want. But if you just want something for a quick cleanup, especially if you go to Arizona quartzsite, hang out in the desert, or been around the beach, this thing will pick up sand, dirt, pet hair, and you can take this brush off and just use it as a regular vac. I just leave the brush on because I mainly got it for us. But yeah, I think you'd be pleased with this. So that's my thoughts on the products I use, and I recommend them. I think you'd enjoy them, and they're cheap. They're not super expensive. Like I said, the fan was about 20 bucks. This vacuum cleaner, 39. So you might as well say $40, and they're worth it. I would definitely buy another one. But anyway, till me and Russ sees you again, God bless you.